Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com, and this is another episode of the Ask PTL show.
Meet a True Heiress asks, how to learn about sterile, non-sterile when only working in a retail pharmacy.
Thank you so much for this lovely question. Actually, you don't need to know sterile compounding or non-sterile compounding for the 2020 exam, okay? So they're not going to be testing you on that any longer on the PTCB exam, okay? So I can't say the same thing for the ExCPT exam, all right? So I just want to throw that out there just to start out. But just so you kind of give a brief overview of what those topics are all about, basically it's like this. You're gonna see more of your non-sterile compounding in the retail pharmacy. So it still wouldn't hurt just for content purposes to kind of know some of that information just in case, all right? I wouldn't stress about it. Now, as far as your non-sterile compounding, or as far as your sterile compounding, you're gonna need to know more of that for the hospital pharmacy, all right? You're gonna see a lot of that in your IV rooms, and basically, it's showing you how to mix medications or sterile solutions in sterile environments, all right? So the retail pharmacy is not more of a sterile environment, that's more of a non-sterile in comparison to the hospital pharmacy. So how you would learn information like this, literally, you just have to know what you know, all right? So sterile and non-sterile, I'll just put this out here, it's not one of those topics that's like math, okay? You can't really derive answers as much as you could in math. So with sterile and non-sterile compounding, which the PTCB does have another certification for that, it's actually separate now, all right, just so you know. But when learning information like that, you have to literally study specific information, and it can't be up for variation, all right? So what I mean by that is, it can't be like up for interpretation. It just is what it is. There's only one hand washing technique, all right? There's only one way to push the needle in a plunger. All of that's dealing with sterile compounding. So these are the exact things that you would need to know. And when studying for this topic, you need to be very exact. So I hope that that was very clear when concerning sterile and non-sterile compounding. And just so you know, don't stress out too bad about it if you're just getting your general certification as a pharmacy technician now, because they're no longer testing on it. They're no longer having that on the exam, all right? That's a different certification. And for more information on things like this, of course, you can join our community, the Code of Pharmacy, on Facebook, or you can shoot us an email at pharmacytechlessons@gmail.com, and we'll help you out there. So guys, this has been Onisha Biggs of pharmacytechlessons.com. Somebody's honking their horn. So I gotta go. You guys have a wonderful day. And make sure that you subscribe, like the video, ask any questions that you want in the comments, and let us know what you need to know, all right? We'll help you out. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye. Booyah! Booyah, booyah, booyah. Booyah, 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 booyah. All right, I'm done.